back to my channel. So today is Thursday, it's early morning. I'm gonna cook before work and I'm gonna do grocery shopping. So I just want to come on here and kind of give you the process. I have to improve on my process because I want a meal plan. But what I do is check inventory in my fridge, check inventory in my freezer just a little bit, and then in my cupboards, and I buy. So right now I'm going to just organize my fridge. So this is what it's looking like. So there's some leftovers that we can eat up, and I'm just gonna organize it a little bit, see what we have in terms of some stock. There's the food I'm going to cook, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that before I cook, and then kind of quickly generate a shopping list. Okay, so my fridge is pretty much cleaned out, or a little bit organized. I still have to wipe down there, but for the most part, I know I need some milk and some cheese, 1 or 2 packs of sandwich meat, and definitely some eggs, and then vegetables. I do have some frozen vegetables, so it's not an immediate rush. I have 2 big bags of broccoli, and then a mix, like California mix. We tend to do better with the frozen vegetables this time of year so that the vegetables don't spoil. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook. This is from taco that we had the other night. I think it's still like a night ago, actually. This is mushrooms that we had this with a dish, and yeah, it's expired. Oh no, it says 26. Oh, so it might be still good. And then all the condiments. So I am gonna go through the condiments and see here what we are going to keep and what's basically finished, and to clear up some space here. Okay, just got rid of a couple of things, but I do notice some things I can use up. This is probably enough to make a small mini pizza. Barbecue sauce I can use on chicken, and the rest are just some sauces. I'm gonna make chicken wings, so there was a honey garlic sauce, so I'm gonna use that for my chicken wings today. And yeah, that is it. So now I know that I have space for things, and and then I can make a list of what I'm going to put in here. I'm gonna quickly do the freezer. I may not do the freezer because I'm not gonna buy a lot of meat, maybe 1 or 2 packs, get us through at least until the weekend. It is Thursday, so at least until Sunday or Monday, because I want to deep clean the small freezer, like my mini freezer, deep freeze, and I want to see what's in there before I buy a whole bunch of meat. Not like I buy a lot at one time, but I do like to keep a good amount on hand, at least a week or 2, that I'm not going to be using right away. So at least stockpile about 2 weeks worth of meat. It's not a huge freezer, so it can't hold that much anyways. So I am going to make a quick list, and then I'm gonna go shop after work. So let me know if you do this. Do you prep your fridge, freezers? You take stock of your cupboards, see what you have. Again, I'm going to do better at this probably by meal planning ahead of time before I shop. I have it in my head, but I actually want to do it like almost to the T, right? The ingredients, like I need that and only get that. So I know we need breads and stuff like that. I know I have lots of like tuna, some canned vegetables, and some produce like onions and carrots and things like that. It's basically just what to cook 4 meals. So just gonna wipe that down. I'm going to cook. It is Thursday morning. I'm gonna cook before work and then head out. So you take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.